In today's class we will be learning the topic, Judo. Judo is a martial art in which two opponents use movement, balance and leverage to gain advantage over each other. It was adopted from a traditional Japanese martial art known as Jujutsu. Judo, a combative sport founded by a Japanese professor Jigoro Kano in 1878. Judo became an Olympic sport in 1964 when the game was held in Tokyo, Japan. Judo first got official support in Nigeria in 1972 during the preparation for the 22nd All-African Games. The Nigeria Judo Amateur Judo Association, NAJA, was later named Nigeria Judo Federation in 1993 and to the International Judo Federation. Basic skills of Judo: the stance, the gripping, the movement, the falling, throws. The rules and regulations governing Judo. At the beginning and end of each bout, the two judoka must bow to each other. A judo match takes between 3 to 10 minutes duration. Punching or putting a hand, foot, leg or arm on an opponent's face is prohibited. Judoka must be clean, have dry skin and short nails on both feet and fingers nails. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.